As a senior citizen, my travel gives me the opportunity to see new places, relax, and happily enjoy life. With comfort, safety, and convenience, special tours are designed to suit the elderly. These help in staying healthy, meeting new friends, and creating beautiful memories. I wish to share my joyful experience with you. Today, we are going to learn about 5 famous and important places to visit in Berlin. One. Checkpoint Charlie. Checkpoint Charlie was the most famous border crossing between East and West Berlin during the Cold War. Established in 1961, it became a symbol of division, tension, and espionage. Many dramatic escape attempts occurred here as people tried to flee East Germany. Today, it stands as a historical site with replica guardhouses and informative displays. It reminds visitors of Berlin's turbulent past and the struggle for freedom. Two. Brandenburg Gate. The Brandenburg Gate is Berlin's most iconic monument, built in the late 18th century in neoclassical style. Once a symbol of division during the Berlin Wall era, it now represents unity and peace. The gate has witnessed major historical events, including Napoleon's Victory March and Germany's reunification. Tourists admire its majestic columns and the quadriga statue atop. It remains a powerful cultural and political landmark in Germany. Three. German Parliament Area. The German Parliament area centers around the historic Reichstag building, home to the Bundestag. Its famous glass dome, designed by Norman Foster, symbolizes transparency in government. The surrounding area includes government offices, the Chancellery, and modern public spaces along the Spree River. Visitors can explore exhibitions, guided tours, and scenic viewpoints. This district represents Germany's democratic strength and architectural blend of old and new. Four. Berlin Wall. The Berlin Wall was built in 1961 to divide East and West Berlin, becoming a global symbol of the Cold War. Stretching over 150 kilometers, it separated families and restricted freedom for nearly 3 decades. Its fall in 1989 marked the end of communist rule in East Germany and renewed hope for unity. Today, preserved sections like the East Side Gallery display murals and messages of peace. The wall remains a powerful reminder of human resilience and the value of freedom. _5. Berlin Dome. The Berlin Dome, located on Museum Island, is one of the city's grandest architectural landmarks. Built in the early 20th century, it features a stunning green dome and richly decorated interiors. Visitors can explore its chapels, royal tombs, and remarkable mosaics. A climb to the dome's walkway rewards visitors with panoramic views of Berlin. The cathedral serves as both a spiritual center and a celebrated cultural attraction. I am glad to share this experience with you, and I hope it inspires you too. Our educational videos make learning simple and interesting. With useful lessons and good ideas, they help you grow every day. Thank you for watching. For more good videos, please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.